Now, we may have automatically saved our Zoom meeting to somewhere in our Documents folder, um, or we may have changed it so it automatically goes into our Google Drive and saved it to a Zoom folder right there. Or we may have saved it, if I go back, to somewhere in our Documents, and then clicked this file and copied it or just dragged it into a Google Drive folder somewhere else. So either way, somehow, some way, it's here on Google Drive. See that Google Drive folder on my computer using the Google Drive folder here, and because it's kept in sync because of this app. Or I could see it on the website drive.google.com. Either location, I can double click on the file and I can see the meeting in progress.
And that will
Also
and like
view the file
the
here um, inside drive.google.com. Either way, I can double click and play it. In either place, I can also right click and share. And this is how I can send it to my students or send it to the whole faculty if I want to send this to share these meeting notes. If you do it like this, it will mean you'll need to share each and every meeting that you have. Um, that might be a lot of work, and it might be tiresome to always have to remember to do this process. And if you should you forget, then it would mean the students that are in different time zones might be left out. It may be advantageous in Zoom to set this following preference. So inside, I went to my settings, and then I went to the recording and store my recordings at. It automatically saves it to my Google Drive. That's cool. But I also have this option to choose a location to save the recording after each meeting ends. That means that after my AP Computer Science meeting ends, I could choose to save it inside a special folder for that class. And I'll sort them automatically. In my Google Drive, if I had those class folders set up in advance, I could add in a folder link to my portal, or paste it to my chat. I just save my files rather right to this shared folder. And because I've already posted the link, that any new file that I add here would just be continued to be available to the students. So if you create a folder for that class's recorded sessions, you share that folder one time, and then as long as you save or copy recorded videos into that folder, they'll continue to be available to students. You don't need to reshare everything every time. Remember, you can go to uh, Resources Technology and book a session with me. I did show you a lot of skills pretty quickly, so if you need to go over them, just please schedule a time with me and we can do so.